The University Hospital of Ayurveda and Naturopathy, Uhan, Northeast India premier multi-speciality Ayurvedic hospital was inaugurated on Thursday at the USTM campus by Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo. Currently, this 100-bed Ayurvedic hospital is open at the USTM campus with interdisciplinary health research and central instrumentation facility and are already available and functioning. Addressing a gathering, Lingdo applauded the university and said USTM is a one-stop education village, an institution with a difference. USTM Chancellor Mahbubul Haque informed that before 2030, all healthcare divisions, allopathy, Unani, Siddha and homeopathy along with research will exist in the USTM campus. The hospital is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and the practitioners are highly trained and experienced in the field of Ayurveda.
And MBBS studies for the students who are now competent, eligible and mature to take part in the MBBS courses. Tomorrow we have a cabinet in the state of India and I will propose that we must give all and extend all support to the USDA.
The Hindu Tribe Youth Council West Khasi Hills District met